So this is the wiring kit or harness for the fog light, and can be used on car as well as on your bike. Suitable for bulb up to 130 watt, and the brand name is VAISHNU. It is all plug and play. I think it is rated for 800 watt, and this allows you to manage high beam, low beam as well. Comes with proper relay and does have warranty as well, I guess. There's nothing mentioned here. Let us try to unbox this and see what we have inside. So we have this tube. Okay, can be used to protect your wire internally. Then we have the H4 socket, I guess. This is for high beam, this is for low beam, and this is the ground. So you get two H4 sockets that goes in your fog light. Zip ties, and two more tubes. There's no manual, by the way. So this is the relay, and this goes to the positive battery terminal, and this goes to the ground. And this is for your fog light. You will get two of them. So again, this is the fog light. This is for ground, this is for ground, negative. So you have a proper switch for high beam, low beam. And this one goes to, I think, the ignition. So that when you turn on the car, you have the power supply flowing into the relay to allow the harness to operate the fog light. And you have a proper fuse here, 30 amps fuse, to protect any surge in the power supply. So both are 30 amps. And one more thing is, if your fog light is not H4, then what you can do is you can plug this extension that you will receive with the kit like this, and then you can manually connect your cables to the fog light or the auxiliary light. So you can connect the H4 connector here, and then you can connect this to your fog light. Decently built, I would say. I'm not sure about the quality, how long will it last, but practically good stuff to protect your fog light and auxiliary light, as it comes with proper relay and a switch. Let me show you how you can connect to the fog light. In my case, I do not have H4 connector, and I'll show you how it looks. So this is the fog light that I have. This is the auxiliary light, 22 watt, I guess. And as you can see, I have 3 cables. One is black, another one is red, another one is yellow. So what I can do is I can use this particular extension. I can connect here like this, and then once I'm done, I should be able to operate this using my switch. I'll show you the working of this when I do the wiring on my car. So that's all in this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.